In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all beta? I hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher from Metropolitan School. Dear students, do you know that different birds have different habits of eating? Some birds like meat, some birds like grains, and some birds like fruits. A bird has a beak and claws to grab the food. Now, in today's class, we will learn about birds and their food habits from chapter 3, The Birds. Students, birds have different eating habits. Some birds eat only meat, while some eat grains. Some birds eat only fruits. Birds have no teeth. They have beaks and claws. A few birds, like crow, eat every type of food. They eat meat as well as fruit. So these type of birds can eat every type of food. Students, birds have no teeth. They have beaks and claws. They use their beaks and claws to catch food and eat it. They also use them to protect themselves. The type of beak and the claws of a bird tell us about the type of food it eats. स्टूडेंट्स, बर्ड्स के टीथ नहीं होते, इनकी बीक्स और क्लॉज होते हैं. ये अपनी बीक्स और क्लॉज की हेल्प से फूड को ग्रैब करते हैं और उसको ब्रेक करके खाते हैं. बर्ड की जो बीक होती है, उस बीक से हमें पता चलता है वो बर्ड कौन सा फूड खा सकते हैं इजीली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, pigeon has short beak, so this beak is used to crush grains. Eagle has a strong and sharp beak, so this beak is used for tearing flesh. Parrot has curved beak, so this beak is used to crush nuts and fruits. Students, flesh-eating birds like eagle, owl, and hawk have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks. They use their beaks for tearing flesh of other animals like chickens, frogs, and snakes. जो फ्लैश ईटिंग बर्ड्स होते हैं, उनकी बीक बहुत शार्प और स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है ताकि वो इजीली दूसरे एनिमल्स के गोश्त को आराम से टेयर कर सके. स्टूडेंट्स, ग्रेन ईटिंग बर्ड्स लाइक स्पैरो, pigeon, and peacock have short, hard, and horny beaks. These beaks are used to crush grains and seeds. जो ग्रेन ईटिंग बर्ड्स होते हैं उनकी बीक शॉर्ट, हार्ड एंड हॉर्नी होती है ताकि वो इजीली ग्रेन्स को क्रश कर सके। स्टूडेंट्स, द curved beak of a parrot helps it to crack nuts and hard fruits. This curved beak also helps it to climb up. जो कर्व बीक होती है वो बर्ड को जो हार्ड फ्रूट्स होते हैं उनको क्रैक करने में हेल्प करती है। A strong and chisel shaped beak is seen in a woodpecker. It helps the woodpecker to tap at the bark of a tree and pick out insects from weak spots. Students, here we use the word chisel. It is a type of tool which is used for cutting. ये एक तरह का टूल होता है जिसको कटिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं। जो वुड पेकर है इसकी जो बीक होती है ये चिजल शेप की होती है ताकि ये ट्रीज के वीक स्पॉट में से इजीली इंसेक्ट्स को पिक कर सके खाने के लिए। द ब्रॉड एंड शॉर्ट बीक ऑफ अ swallow is sticky inside. The bird moves round and round in the air, keeping its beak open. So the small insects, while flying, get stuck in its mouth. Swallow bird की बीक ब्रॉड और शॉर्ट होती है। ये अंदर से बहुत स्टिकी होती है इसलिए इसमें इंसेक्ट स्टक हो जाता है। A hoopoe has a long and slender beak. So this beak is able to pull out insects from the holes in the ground. होपो बर्ड की बीक लॉन्ग होती है जिससे ये इजीली होल्स में से इंसेक्ट्स को पकड़ लेते हैं। The broad and flat beak of a duck has tiny holes on both sides. The duck takes muddy water with insects and plants in its beak. All the mud and the water flow out through those tiny holes, while the plants and insects are left in the mouth. डक की बीक के दोनों साइड्स पर होल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं जिसमें से मडी वाटर पास आउट हो जाता है और मुंह में सिर्फ प्लांट्स और इंसेक्ट रह जाते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव सीन दैट शेप्स एंड साइजेस of beaks of birds are well suited to their ways of eating. Similarly, the claws are also very helpful to them in eating food or in protecting themselves from their enemies or in moving about. Flesh-eating birds have strong and sharp claws. These sharp claws are called as talons. These claws help to catch and hold the small birds. Preaching birds like crows have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. These toes help the preaching bird to hold onto the branches of trees. Preaching birds are those birds which sit on trees. Hens and cocks have the habit of scratching the earth. So they have strong legs with 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. These toes have sharp and hard claws which help them in scratching the soils. जो स्क्रैचिंग बर्ड्स होते हैं इनके 4 claws होते हैं, 3 front and 1 at the back. ये claws बहुत शार्प होते हैं, ये सॉइल को स्क्रैच करने में हेल्प करते हैं ताकि जो सीड्स और इंसेक्ट्स सॉइल के अंदर प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो ये बर्ड्स इजीली पिक कर सकें. The claws of a woodpecker and a parrot are well suited to their habit of climbing trees. They have 2 toes pointing forwards and 2 toes pointing backward. These toes help them to climb up to the trees. जो क्लाइंबिंग बर्ड्स होते हैं उनके टोज उनको हेल्प करते हैं ताकि वो इजीली ट्रीज पे क्लाइंब कर सकें. Students, we know that the water birds have webbed feet. They have 3 toes in the front and these 3 toes are joined by the skin web in between. This skin helps to push back water while swimming and help them in swimming. Students, swimming birds have webbed feet. Webbed feet means have a piece of skin in between the toes. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. Birds like heron look different from other birds because of their legs. These long-legged birds with spreading toes can wade through the muddy water. वेडिंग बर्ड्स कौन से बर्ड्स होते हैं? वेडिंग बर्ड्स वो बर्ड्स होते हैं जिनकी लेग बहुत लंबी होती हैं, इसलिए दूसरे बर्ड्स से बहुत डिफरेंट होते हैं. इनके जो टोज होते हैं वो स्प्रेड होते हैं and their legs do not sink into the mud, nor does their bodies get wet. Now students, I am giving you some homework. To question number 8, 9 and 10 in your classwork copy from your book page number 37. These all are short questions. Question number 8 is, what kind of beaks do most flesh-eating birds have? Question number 9 is, what kind of beaks do most grain-eating birds have? And the question number 10 is, what types of toes do the swimming birds have? Students, you can also draw the diagram of webbed feet of a swimming bird from your book page number 33 in your classwork copy. I hope you got the lesson in a better way. This was Miss Kuratulan signing off. May Allah increase your knowledge. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.